Hola, WordPress creators! Want to embed Audiocom audio posts, playlists, or shared audio content on your website without any trouble? With EmbedPress, it's quick and effortless. In this video, we will walk you through how to embed Audiocom audios in WordPress. Make sure you have installed and activated EmbedPress plugin on your WordPress website. Let's embed an Audiocom audio in Gutenberg editor. Open the post or page where you want to display the audio. Click the plus icon, search for EmbedPress, and insert the block. Now you have to paste the Audiocom link. Go to the Audiocom website. Select the file you want to embed. Click the Share button and copy the link. Go back to Editor, paste your Audiocom audio URL into the input field. That's it! The Audiocom audio player will instantly load and preview right inside the Gutenberg editor. You can also customize the embedded content, adjust width and height, and explore other advanced features. When everything looks good, click Publish or Update. In Elementor, you can also embed Audiocom audios in one click with EmbedPress. Open your page in Elementor Page Builder, search for the EmbedPress widget, and drag it onto your page. Next, paste the Audiocom URL into the widget's URL field. The audio player will immediately appear in the live preview. From the Style tab, you can adjust the height and width. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make it live. Now, let's take a look at your page. Your Audiocom audio is beautifully embedded and ready for your audience to enjoy. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ciao!